This Century 21 Sterling Realty property video is presented by Wendy Musselman. This well-maintained rancher is waiting for you. The open floor plan welcomes you the moment you walk through the door. Vaulted ceilings highlight the living/kitchen/dining area. Sliders off the dining area lead to a spacious deck, and the yard has a vinyl privacy fence for your convenience. You'll love the primary bedroom with tray ceiling and attached bath. The jetted tub and separate shower will give you that spa-like feel. There are 2 additional bedrooms and an additional main floor bath. The laundry is conveniently located on the main floor to eliminate trudging up and down the stairs. Downstairs the possibilities are endless. There is a window and door and is plumbed for a future 3rd bathroom. See this charmer today. For more information, review